dealers. First off, thank you for taking a moment to tune in to watch this video, which I hope will help you all in this uncertain time. The reality is, our reality has changed. Most of us, if not all, are working from home, trying to come up with ideas as to how to keep our businesses running while the doors are closed. My name is Haley Holland, and I'm the Marketing Programs Manager here at DealerSpike. Today, I wanted to share some quick but effective tips to get the most out of organic searches and keep your online business running efficiently. So to start, what is SEO? Definitely a popular buzz term. You've probably heard someone mention, whoa, you have great SEO value. Or maybe they've suggested, you should probably work on your SEO. But what does that mean? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it is the process of driving more qualified leads to your website and other online platforms by increasing your website visibility. A website with built-in SEO is crucial to helping your website rank well on organic search results. And of course, that's not everything. There are many steps you can take to increase the visibility of your website and help potential motivated buyers find you online. Let's dive into some ways you can keep motivated buyers engaged and connected. First way to help motivated buyers find you online is to keep your Google My Business account up to date. Help customers find your dealership by updating your business hours and other information on your Google My Business account. Secondly, connect with customers by posting on your profile. Share announcements, new inventory, and promotions to give online browsers more access to your business. Over the last few months, I've seen many dealerships practicing this and seeing great results from keeping their shoppers connected through posting a listing or two of a closeout unit. And then they'll also share when new product is coming to the store to keep customers informed and their profile up to date and relevant. I've also seen a trend of dealers posting photos of recent events across their social media handles, including their Google My Business page. So with that said, engage with your customer base through social media. Regular social media use keeps your customers engaged with your brand. Social media offers many excellent platforms to share personalized messages, promotions, and current events. Drive potential leads to your website through direct links on multiple social media channels. One example of creating a link between your website and your social media platform is to post images of your inventory on your social accounts, and then link the post back to the inventory listing. I encourage posting new content at least monthly to continue building business credibility. So I think this is a good spot to highlight credibility through online reviews. Let's face it, most of us out there have made a snap decision about a business based off their reviews. Inherently, a business with a higher rating or positive reviews is definitely going to outrank the competitor with a lower rating or poorer reviews. Research tells us that 70% of consumers begin the buying cycle online, where reviews have a significant impact on purchasing decisions. Reviews can be one of your strongest marketing tools. Respond promptly to online reviews on your website and social media platforms to build brand equity and demonstrate to customers that you truly care about their feedback. In addition to responding and monitoring your reviews, keeping your website content fresh is relevant and a cornerstone of building credibility online. Let's talk about more ways we could do that. We are all aware that circumstances change, and so should your website content. Update the headers on main web pages like homepage, your service or parts pages, update descriptions on your listings, and finally, update the content on your About Us page to feature the latest news for your customers. If current circumstances have impacted your business hours or daily operations, add a statement to your homepage to notify your customer base about how they can continue to do business with you. I recommend for those selling products online like aftermarket accessories or parts, use this shelter in place as an opportunity to build on those sales. Offer to support your shoppers while they support your business, maybe through small offerings like complimentary shipping or a small percentage off the more they shop. I know for me personally, my online shopping has increased significantly since I'm limited to where and how often I can shop in an actual store. Businesses that have offered free shipping or a percentage off if I purchase more have caught my attention and in turn won my business over shopping with other vendors. And to continue the topic of shipping, make time to write about it, especially if you're offering an important new service like delivery. You might consider adding a blog page or post that offer an in-depth explanation of the process. Include a way for visitors to contact you and ensure that your shipping policies are clearly addressed. I also recommend constructing a pop-up module and adding it to your homepage that features store or inventory updates. You can even include a lead form, like a contact us lead form, or drive users to inventory listings through a call to action button. Get your visitors exactly where you want them to go. And the last tip I want to leave you with is really a friendly reminder above all else. Keep DealerSpike in mind as things change for you. Communicate with your DealerSpike account manager, whether that be for your website refreshes or updating your SEO content. We're here to help. Inform your representative of any significant change in product sales that may have occurred, such as an increase in generator sales or possibly lawnmowers. That's a great starting point for us to help you update your content. And of course, the more we can learn and know about how your business is doing, the better we can optimize your website and develop a strong online marketing strategy. So in closing, I want to send a personal invitation to you all that are already taking advantage of our SEO services. We're here for you in these unprecedented times to help you drive more traffic to your website and definitely increase lead conversions. To schedule a demo, just want to know more about DealerSpike's SEO offerings, call us at 800-288-5917. Thank you so much for listening. Stay healthy and be well. Take care.